Top of the top, y'all. It's your boy Show tapping in. Today, I'm going to talk about something that's happening right now today that is really disruptive in the market. And if you are an entrepreneur, a creator, a social media marketer, if you are not using AI, aka artificial intelligence, to support your marketing, you are asleep and you are about to get left behind. Okay, I wanted to do this video because I wanted to make sure that my people understand the importance of this and how this can accelerate your business. I'm going to give y'all a couple examples of how to use chatgpt. This is something me and my business partner discovered recently, and we have been using it every day since. Let's take a look. This platform is absolutely free 99 right now, meaning it costs you nothing. Today, I created a social media post where I'm simply asking my followers if they know anybody looking to sell a distressed property. I'm asking them to refer that to me, and I will pay a $1,500 referral fee. Okay. So instead of wrecking my brain for a caption, I simply came to ChatGPT, and this is one way you can utilize it. All right. So I'm going to ask it to create a social media post. You just tell them your idea and what it is that you want. It's going to think about it for a second, and then it's going to spit out that information for you. All right. All right, boom. So here you have it. It even gave me the hashtags. Okay. So, like, this is very crucial, guys, when we talk about social media marketing and just putting ourselves and our brand out there. Okay. We want to work smarter, not harder. All right. Now, I'm going to give y'all another scenario. Okay. Now, on top of me looking for referral fees, me and my partner are also going to start doing weekly webinars where we give people information regarding real estate. So I'm going to just simply ask ChatGPT to give me a syllabus for that webinar. An outline for a webinar on how to wholesale real estate. Boom. It's going to give me the key points and the bullets that should go under that. Look how effective this is, guys. I can simply copy this and paste this information into a PowerPoint. And while I'm going through the PowerPoint, just give the information, experience, and knowledge that I have in my head. Okay. Like, this is doing all the heavy lifting for me. Look at this. This is incredible. This is incredible. Like, we cannot sleep on technology like this. We have to utilize these platforms when they put it out there, okay? Just because it's AI, artificial intelligence, don't feel like, oh, this isn't for me. I can't figure this out, or I'm not there yet. You are there. You are here, okay? Here is my complete outline on my How to Wholesale webinar. This is crazy, guys. Like, y'all have to be utilizing this. Let's see another one, okay? So what I'm going to do is, let's go to my emails. Y'all shouldn't be in here, but whatever. Let's see. I don't really do a lot of emails these days. Okay, so I have attached. So this is just from our insurance provider, letting me know that our liability insurance that we paid for the year is coming up, meaning we're going to have to pay it again. Okay, so I'm going to Okay, I should have spaced that out, but let's see if this can still generate that email, even though I did not space these out. Boom. Did you see that? I just said create a response to this email letting them know thanks for the update. And it came with all of this. I could simply copy this, paste it back in the email thread, and send it without even having to think, guys. Okay. This is simply a game changer. That's 3 examples on how we use it. We also use it a lot of other ways to generate responses to sellers or leads and their emails, even their text messages, guys. I mean, and we're just getting started. So I know there are tons of more ways to utilize this. But this is what we have so far. And it's been very effective. It's very quick. It's very efficient. And, you know, if you're any type of creator, you should be tapping into this, man. If you're not, you are asleep. Please get into this before the evolution happens and you completely miss the whole thing. All right. It's not too late. It is just getting started. You want to catch it right now. All right. That's all I got for y'all today, man. Let's get it. All right, so there y'all have it. That's 3 examples of how we have been using ChatGPT. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Hopefully you are inspired to incorporate this into your business or your entrepreneurship situation. Man, it's really efficient and it can streamline a lot of things. Again, those were just 3 examples I showed you guys, but the possibilities are really endless. I encourage you to go on this website, create a free account, and just play with it. See how you can utilize this to your benefit. How I utilize it may not work for you. You can utilize this platform in a completely different way that will be very effective for you. But bottom line is, you need to be on this platform. You need to utilize it. You need to get the hang of it before the next thing comes out, because a lot of people don't know, but ChatGPT was acquired by Microsoft, meaning now this is a Microsoft company. But as we all know, if you pay attention to business, stocks, anything like that in the market, Microsoft is a direct competitor to Google. And we know Google has the leading search engine in the world. Google is the biggest. Google is the best. So no way they're going to let Microsoft, have a monopoly in this space. They're already working on their own platform called Bard, B-A-R-D. And I'm sure that will probably kill ChatGPT. And when that happens, we'll hop over to Bard. But for right now, we on ChatGPT, man. Think like a high-level entrepreneur, act like a high-level entrepreneur, and that starts with continuous learning, all right? Put the ego to the side, grow yourself, grow your business, man. Until the next time, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click like if you learned anything, leave any type of comments or questions. I'll answer it if I can. But you should probably just go to the platform and work with it and figure it out yourself. But that's all, y'all. To the next video, keep tapping in, keep watching, and I hope you will keep on flipping and reach that freedom that we all looking for, man. Let's get it.